This video will detail the application of the DonJoy VersaROM hip brace with the Classic 3 universal pad. For additional information, please refer to the instructions for use found in the packaging. Prior to applying the cold unit pad and/or the hip brace, prepare the Iceman Classic Cube. To unlock the Iceman Classic Cube lid, press the handle forward. Add ice to the fill line inside of the device and then add cold water to the fill line. With the handle in the forward position, place the lid on the device. Press the lid down while rotating the handle up and back to latch the lid closed. Set aside while you apply the cold unit pad and the hip brace. Use a thin layer of dressing or a barrier when applying the pad to the area being covered. Apply the cold pad to the hip with the hose extending down the leg. Position the long elastic strap around the hips, securing it to the front and back. Position additional straps around the leg. Do not wrap the strap so tightly as to restrict blood flow or fluid flow. Connect the couplings on the pad with the couplings on the hose from the unit. Make sure both connections are properly seated. Listen for a click on each connector when they are pushed together. As a final check, pull on each coupling to see if they are secure. Unless both couplings are properly joined, water will not flow through the system and no cooling effect will be realized. Note: it is not recommended to use an extension cord as this may disrupt power output to the pump. Warning: when applying the cold pad, do not let any part of the cold pad touch your skin. Always use a barrier between your skin and the cold pad. Check for moisture on the barrier between your skin and the cold pad. If moisture is present on the barrier, immediately discontinue use of this device. Application: wrap the waist belt approximately 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters above the widest part of the hips and secure the hook and loop attachment on the front side. Wrap the thigh straps around your leg and adhere the hook and loop tab. Pull the pull tabs around and attach them to the front of the waist belt. Brace removal. To remove the braces, first start by turning off the cold unit. Remove the hip brace by detaching the pull tabs on the side of the waist belt and then unfasten the thigh cuff, followed by the waist belt. Remove the hip brace. To remove the universal cold pad, simply unfasten the elastic straps that initially secured the pad in place. Once complete, depress the single button disconnect, which will release the pad from the hose extending from the unit. The pad can now be cleaned and stored for future use. DonJoy VersaROM Hip and Clear 3 Universal Pad Cold Therapy Kit.